Nope. Hello friends on the internet, it's me, JanJan. Today I am here to show you guys my Glossier experience. So this is the full face makeup that I just put on my face using only Glossier product, and I did also do a unboxing of this mask. So if you're interested to see what my first impression is on all the Glossier product, spoiler alert, I did not like all of them, and there's one that I think is garbage. And if you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe so you can see more videos like this. And okay, I will let you go now. And oh wait, I'm not gonna let you go because you gotta keep watching to see all this. I will shut up now. Okay, let's dive right in. Oh wait, first let me turn off the filter so you can see my real skin. There we go. So this is how it looks like. I already opened this because I wanted to make sure all the stuff that I ordered came in. I live in Canada and I ordered this from their US website, and it took them I think around a week to come, so not too bad. And all the price are in Canadian dollar on their website, so there's no like surprise and there's no tax when I got it. So when you open it, it looks like this. It's so cute. It says make the world glossier. I don't know. And there's this thingamajig. I thought it was receipt when I saw it, but it's just postal card, I guess. Cute. There's this bag. So I looked at to make sure everything came, but I haven't opened anything from the smaller packages, so I am very excited. And decent. Oh, I picked a perfume as a free sample. Let me smell it now. Oh, come on. I like it. It's very light. It's very natural. If you like light natural perfume, you will definitely like this one. It came in with this bag. It's so cute. I think I'm totally going to use this when I travel, although I already have like 100 million travel bags. But number one, this highlighter. It looks like I'm just ripping everything off. So this is the highlighter. Whoa, it is definitely a cream highlighter. Can't wait to put this on my face. Here first. And I also had this lip balm. I got this mint one. Looks like this. Cute. I'm gonna put this on now because you know how I like to put some lip balm before and while I put makeup on. So this texture. It is very moisturizing. It says mint, but I was expecting it to, like, I was expecting my lip to feel that it's mint, but oh, here it comes. Yes, it's mint. It's pretty moisturizing. I like it. Okay. Next up, Cloud Paint. It's their popular, famous blush, and I got the color. What is this color called? Puff. It's a pink color, and it's sealed. It's a cream-based blush as well, which I don't currently own, so I'm very excited. I just put a little bit on. You can see it's a very light and natural pink. Very exciting. And now we have the Perfectin Skin Tint. I wasn't wasn't sure if I was gonna like this because I know people say it's not makeup blah, 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 and it's like not much coverage or whatever, but we'll see. It looks like this, and here they will do full face makeup. Oh, these are the lid stars. It's like their eyeshadow. Looks like this. Cloud is passing, so this lighting is like changing. I apologize. I got the color Moon and the color Cup. Let's see. This is the color Cup. I saw on the website there's this model had this eye look made with these two colors and just looked too pretty. I had to get two colors. This is the one called Moon. Oh, it's more like a highlighter. You definitely use this to highlight here. And this one is called Cup. I feel like for this full face makeup today, I'm just gonna use my hand. And it looks like this. Look at all this madness. And then I also have, like, what is this? This big box. Oh, I know what this is. Go here. And you open it. It looks like this. Another travel bag. And I can probably do something with this box. I don't know what, but we'll see. It's a concealer, the Generation G, what is that? Oh, lipstick, and the Boy Brow. I think this was like their combo or whatever, and I bought 3 in a set. Let's see. This is so much fun. Stretch concealer came in this box. So cute. I just have to show you guys again on this, like, inside. So cute. This is the stretch concealer. I got the color medium. It might be a bit too dark, but we'll see. And then we have the Generation G lipsticks. I got the color Crush. Come on. Like this. Okay, I need more space on my hand. It's very sheer. You definitely need more layers if you want to have that color popped on your lip, but we will see in a bit how it looks on my lip. Last but not least, Boy Brow. This is something I was looking at people's review online, and apparently everybody loved it, so we'll see. It looks like this, and the brush is tiny. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna go wash my hand and I will be back. I'm back. So I went wash my hand, and I also grabbed a damped beauty blender in case we need to use it for anything. This is still here, but it's fine. Shake, shake, shake. What does it say? Shake, then smooth over moisturized skin with fingertips. Blend upward and outward for sheer coverage and instant dewiness. This is my other hand closing the door because I can hear the fridge. Anyways, okay. I got the color medium. I'm scared. Should I zoom in? I saw people doing this online, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try with my hand first and see how it blends out. As you can see, not much is happening. Let's put a little bit more on and use the beauty blender and see if anything happens. I mean, I know their whole like theory or whatever is skin before makeup, so I'm not surprised this coverage is not too much. Can you guys see any difference? Not really, right? Like you can see the redness is still here. There's not much coverage or anything going on. Gonna use the beauty blender and just blend non-existing products out. First impression for this, not good. I understand the point of this product, but is it something that I would use? No. If I'm gonna go bare face, I'm just not gonna put any foundation on. And if you give me something, it better shows up. And this one was kind of pricey too, compared to a bigger bottle of like your regular foundation. This was pretty pricey too, so I don't know. Now let's go for the concealer. I did see people online though doing their first impression or showing people how they use Glossier makeup, that they actually use the concealer as a foundation, which I thought was a great idea because I sometimes do that too. So let me put some on my face and see what happens. I'm gonna do it like how I would normally put concealer on my face as foundation, and then blend out with my finger. There definitely is more coverage for this concealer compared to the foundation, but you can still see, like, it's not that I don't want people to see my redness or whatever. It's just if I'm putting something on my face, it better covers. Otherwise, I'm just not gonna use anything. That's all for the face. I don't like it because I feel like I didn't do anything. I feel like I just waste money buying all the foundations and concealer. And I feel like I also wasted time putting stuff on my face that does not do anything. So if that's not your thing, yeah, even if I have a good skin, like if I'm not gonna put any makeup on, I'm not gonna put any makeup on. For days that I have good skin, I just don't put anything on. I'm not gonna put something that does minimum. And anyways, you know what I'm saying. Let's move on. It's not a good start, but I was kind of expecting that because I did some research before I purchased all the products and everyone was saying the same thing, so not surprised. Now let's put some blush on. Start with a little bit. Oh, and I've heard really good thing about their powder, but I didn't get it because I wanted to go for that, you know, dewy look versus that matte look, and I already have a powder that I really like, so didn't get that. And I'm gonna skip powder today. There we go. Here's the blush. It's not as obvious on the camera versus in real life. I can see quite a lot of color coming in, and it is pretty natural. I like the blush. But this is a lot of work. It's my first time using cream-based blush. This is a lot of work. Now, the exciting part. We highlight. Again, I've never used cream-based highlighter before, but this is so much work. Or maybe I'm just not used to it. It definitely is shiny, and it is, I'm not gonna say natural because it's, I don't know, it's this color that I got. Oh, I got the color Quartz. and it is like white-ish highlight, not the gold one. There's another one that's more gold. I don't have any opinion, to be honest. I don't really like it, but I can see myself switching it up and reach for it sometimes. Next up, eyebrow. People loved it because it's tinted and they think it gives you some shape, but it's not as crazy as, like, you know, for the whole eyebrow look. And I really hope this works because every day I spend quite a lot of time on my eyebrows, and if this is something that's easier to use and get the same result and more natural looking eyebrows, I'm all about it. Here and this one. Let's finish the left one. I like this. I think this is definitely faster than what I normally do to my brow, and I think it does give you a quick lift in terms of the shape and the volume. I'm not going to say, oh my god, I love this shit, but I don't hate it. And I can see myself reaching for this on days that I just want to quickly have something and be out of the house. Favorite so far. What else do we have? Eyeshadow. Again, I've never used any eyeshadow in this kind of form or texture, so I am excited. I'm gonna put this color all over my lid first and create some sort of look. When you don't have brush and just use your hand, I feel like 10 fingers is not enough. Here is one layer. I'm going to put a second layer focusing at the outer corner and see how that turns out. Okay, I'm back. So my camera just died on me. I don't know what happened, but let me catch you up on what happened. I put a little bit more on the darker color on the inner corner of my eyes, and I applied one layer of this thing in the middle. Maybe I'll put a bit more on. And this is a more, like, you know those shell-ish color? This is more, has a little bit like green halo-ish shimmer on it to highlight. It's very, very, very natural. Like, you can't even tell that I have shit on my eyes, but I guess that's the look they're going for. And then I also put some lipstick. Oh my god, some lipstick here, and there you have it, full face. And now let me break this down for you, what I like and what I don't like. First of all, with everything here that came in this cute box, the thing that I like the most, I think you guys are gonna think it's a joke, is this perfume. I may have to order again and get the full size. It is really good. It's very natural. It doesn't smell like crazy, and when you do this and smell yourself, it's like, ooh, I like how I smell. So that's my favorite. This thing, don't get it because it doesn't do anything and it's pretty pricey. This thing, I can see myself use this, yes, as a concealer, so maybe. Blush. If you've never used cream blush before, I would say be careful with this product because it does take some time to get used to it. And the lip balm. Yes, I would use this again, but again, if I need a lip balm, would I go for this one? Probably not. And the highlighter, same thing because it's a cream-based highlighter. I'm talking really fast because I'm actually seeing the battery going down every sentence I'm saying. Okay, back to it. Okay, highlighter, yes, I will use it again. And I mean, it's cool to try different products out, the cream-based highlighter, the cream-based blush, but I don't think it's the easiest to use. But it does look nice though. And these two eyeshadow, I will not just use them on my eyes, I will layer them onto other things though. So do you need this? Not really. If you have this, should you use it? Sure, I would use it. This, I like it. It's very natural, it's matte, the color is pretty, so I think it's something that I would throw in my bag and apply it when I need to. Is there anything that I missed? No. So what am I going to do now is, because I'm actually going out tonight and I really can't go out like this, I'm going to put some eyeliner on and some mascara on because this is just how I roll. But in terms of full face Glossier, I think if you are actually going to spend, how many times did I spend? Like 15 minutes putting on a full face makeup. I mean, I don't know about you, but for me then, I want it to at least look like something. I want it to at least look like I put makeup on. So this is not the look that I would go for regularly, but I would reach for some products. And I don't know, it's cool to try it out, and I know everyone is like so hyped about it, Glossier, blah blah blah, so I'm glad I tried it out. And there's certain products that I liked, I will use again. There's some products I'm just gonna, I don't know. For people that actually have this, like, do you guys have like flawless skin and just don't mind putting things on your face that doesn't really do anything? I don't know, tell me about it, convince me. I'm here to be convinced. Maybe I'll use this in summer, but again, it doesn't do anything. It's like garbage. There we go, you have it. This is garbage. Is there anything else I want to say? Oh, I'm going to put a link in the comment box. It's just a 10% link that Glossier sent. I'm not cool enough to actually make money by you clicking that link yet. So if you're interested and use that link, you can get a 10% discount. And I am going to order a full size of this perfume now. Alright, until next time, I will see you guys again. I hope you enjoyed this unbox, first impression, full face, makeup, whatever. Bye!